It looks like we are live. We're getting ready to get us set up. So far today, this has been the drone traffic around the stadium. Trying to do a little tour here. We got the system on a tripod out the back. I'm on a little bit of a short leash here. I'm going to be coming around here to show you the system. That's it right there. So this is a mobile tripod mounted system. You have the Starlink with the camouflage device. That's the remote drone ID sensor with the Pelco camera on the top there, mounted on the top of just in the bed of the truck here, and drove with it on all the way down here, except for the camera. I put that one on later, and so we're set up live here, and that's what we've got. And then they've got a little command center inside of here, just powered off of the truck batteries. Here we have all of this is live streaming over the Starlink, powered up by the vehicle here. So far this today, we've had quite a bit of drone traffic earlier today with a group here launching off by the baseball field. Another group launching from the right here, from the stadium parking lot. I believe those all to be legit drone flights. Earlier in the day, we did see some flights that were over a neighborhood out over here. Let's switch to that one. You can see early in the morning, we picked up a number of flights over here at 1:30 in the morning. So not sure what they were up to. Oh, we got a live flight. There we go. We have a liftoff. Let's get the camera over there. Maybe we should go to thermal. It's coming up over. Here it comes. There it is. We got it right there. Yeah, there it is. Just it's like a matrice. It's a pretty big one. Let's go over to visual here. So,
Logan, can
yeah,
you bounce to the RDID real fast so we can see
yeah, sure.
if there's a serial number? Or...
There's the serial number right there. 4N, looks like a QG9.
Great, yeah.
It's a DJI matrice, so it's a pretty big one. It's just hovering out over there. You can see it right there. I'm gonna switch over back to that view, live view right there. Going back to home.
Logan, can you explain to people what the colors are on the map?
I certainly can. So, the just kind of these different colors are just ways to identify, the different tracks, way to just differentiate them. Then we use special colors of blue, red, and yellow to identify intent, whether this is a hostile or a friendly. So, for instance, here we just had a drone fly out of the baseball stadium right here. I was just doing a demonstration here. You could say this one was tagged as hostile. Means it's unknown but something worthy of attention, and then blue means friendly. That's what the colors mean. And for the most part, we haven't classified these. Pretty sure we've got the police that are launching drones from this parking lot over here on the west side, and then we have the media coming over here on this side here. Oh, we got to get it live on. We're back on live here.
Now pulling that serial number up, it shows that it's a DJI Inspire 3, which that's a pretty a DJI Inspire 3 is what that serial number pulls up.
Okay, cool.
So pretty good camera, pretty high-end drone. So it must be filming something.
Yeah, that's the media, I'm sure.
So Logan, how quickly can we have the setup ready? It seems like it's very portable.
Can you say that again?
Seems like this setup is super portable. How quickly, how much time it took you to set it up?
Well, for the very first time, it took a little bit of time just because I was trying to figure out how to attach it to my vehicle. Once I got that figured out, it's pretty quick. The Starlink connects up very fast. Doesn't take a lot of time to get that hooked up. The RDID doesn't take any time at all. You just turn that thing on, and it works. There's no calibration, nothing like that. It did take me a little time to calibrate the camera, get that oriented, leveled. So that took me a little bit of time. Getting the camera so that it was able to track the drone took me probably 10 minutes. All right. Take a look at the history last little while here. It's up and again. And you can see here, got the drone going around and around and around. So I tag these as friendly.
So it seems like camera calibration takes the longest. But if it's on a fixed vehicle mount, it's all calibrated, then there's nothing to it. You just move the vehicle around pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, you still have to get your home, if you want GPS coordinates, you still have to orient where your home position is for your camera. And then you have to level it. That's the other thing. But it's a doable thing for the right application. If they need to be on the move, this would, the remote drone ID does work on the move.
Right, and I think law enforcement would be more interested in finding the pilot than the drone. So
Yep. And then going after the pilot, now that with this, you have the location of the operator. That gives law enforcement and whoever else needs to, intercept the operators that information they can to do so.
right.
And you can see it just hovering there, just above the trees. Right there, right above the tree there.